Hi everyone, it's Odette. Thanks for coming to watch this video. So Mother's Day is coming up and it's on Sunday, May 10th. And Mother's Day is a holiday that's celebrated all around the world, and everyone is celebrating their moms, their grandmas, and their aunts. They're showing how much they love them and care about them. Now, there's so many different things that you could do. You can make a card for them, you could bake something for them, give them breakfast in bed, make an art project. Now, the best thing that you could do is obviously be the best person that you could be to your mom. Be so nice, be respectful every single day of the year. But what we're going to do is we're going to write a card, and I have a page right here, it's empty, and what it says here is my mom on the top, and then we have a pink box right under it where you're going to make a portrait of your mom, which means you're going to copy every little detail about your mom, her hair color, her eye color, anything that you could think of, add it. Okay, because we want it to be with a lot of detail because it's very thoughtful. And then we have a couple of lines right here. So the first line says my mom's name. You're going to write her name and sound it out. Then we're going to have your mom's eye color. You can fill that out. We're going to do it together. And then the last line, it's empty because we're going to write Happy Mother's Day. And then on the bottom, we have the word love. And then you're going to fill it out, your name right here, so that she knows it's from you. And on Mother's Day, you can give it to her. So this is mine that I did. I filled it out already. I colored and I wrote and I did everything that I need to do. And it came out really nice. So the supplies that you are going to need is this paper. It's attached to the video. You need a pencil to write with, and not a pen, because if you make a mistake, you want to erase it. And then you need markers or crayons. It's basically something to draw with. So take a minute to pause this video and come back when you're ready, and we'll begin. So I think we could start because we have our supplies of the paper, a pencil, and markers. I just wanted to show you one more time how it's going to look like up close when it's done. So the portrait you can do on your own time because you could do that yourself. And now let's go on to the writing. So it says, my mom's name is. So what's your mom's name? If you don't know it, you could go ahead and ask her and then sound it out. So let's say your mom's name is Fortune. That's what you are going to write. So remember, the most important step is sounding out the name. So what's the first letter that you hear in Fortune? Or any name. F or Ch, N. So I hear an N and then an E. So what's your mom's eye color? My mom's eye color. So we could fill out all the colors together. So let's say your mom's eye color is blue. So blue. Ooh. So you could sound it out whatever you want. Maybe you think it's two O's or a U, or maybe it's a BLUE, whatever you think. So that's blue. Okay. So now let's say your mom's eye color is green. So you can write green instead. So gr, r. So now we have gra, een. So to make the E sound, you need two E's. Green. And if your mom's eye color is not blue or green, then you're going to write down brown. So b, ow. So I hear an O and a W, and then an N, brown. Okay, so now on the last line, this is what we're going to do together. Okay, so we're gonna write Happy Mother's Day. So for the word happy, ha. And remember, since it's a sentence and we're starting it, the first letter is going to be uppercase. So let's start. Ha, a. We're an A, P. Happy, E. So it could be an E, but the real letter is a Y. So happy. Now you're gonna do a finger space and skip so that you have space in between. And then you're gonna write Mother's Day. So the. So TH, make the or the sound. Mother. Now another finger space, day. So D, A, Y. And then I'm gonna make an exclamation point. So that's really it. You filled out your mom's name, one of these eye colors, not all of them, and then you're gonna write Happy Mother's Day. And then on the bottom, we're gonna sign our name. Love, because that means who's it from. And then you're gonna write your name. So I'm gonna write my own name. And then you could color flower, you could color the hearts on top. You could add whatever you want to this page. And I hope you enjoyed the video. And I hope you show your mom on Mother's Day. Thanks for watching, guys.